Once you've completed the form and your documents are emailed to you, your next step is to carefully review them before filing. Your documents are delivered as Word files, so you can make edits and cleanups as needed. This is an automated system, and while it does a lot of the heavy lifting, it is not guaranteed to be perfect. Start by reading through each document from top to bottom. Look for small formatting or punctuation issues that sometimes happen in automated documents. Extra spaces, missing or extra commas, or wording that just needs to flow a little more smoothly. These are normal and easy to fix. Next, review the formatting. Sometimes there may be extra line breaks or hard returns that can be adjusted. You may want to reformat spacing so signatures fit cleanly on the same page, or so a signature block starts on a new page where appropriate. Courts care about clarity and readability, and clean formatting helps. It is especially important to double-check the numbers and the math. Review the total estate value, the total amount of any debts listed, and the distribution to the heirs. Make sure the numbers add up and that the overall result makes sense based on the information you provided. Even though the system performs calculations automatically, the person preparing and filing the documents is ultimately responsible for their accuracy. Taking the time to review and confirm these details can prevent delays and questions from the court later. When you attach the death certificate as an exhibit to the petition, you must redact the Social Security number in the death certificate. You can do that with a black marker by physically obliterating the number, or you can do it by scanning the document in and redacting that number electronically if you plan to e-file the document. Along with the documents, you'll receive a guide to help you through the filing process. Use that guide as you prepare to file, and don't hesitate to ask your court clerk procedural questions about filing, lodging documents, or scheduling hearings. Remember, the clerk can assist with the process, but cannot give legal advice or tell you how to complete the forms. If, during your review, you realize something needs to be corrected or clarified, make those changes before filing. And if you reach a point where you're unsure how to proceed, it's always appropriate to pause and seek legal guidance. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, clear, and complete, you'll be ready to move forward with the filing of your petition to set aside.
If you'd like a Nevada attorney to review your documents or your situation, you can schedule a consultation for $250. Using this form and watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship. This content is educational only.